Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to formatting color box like a pro. So let's start. So simply write your text. So I just write here color boxes. Okay. Then I select the text. Then go to the insert tab. In illustration group click on the shapes. Then click on these rectangles. Then draw on text. Okay. Drag and draw the shape on text. Okay. And here in shape format you can use the different color here. Shape fill, just click on this arrow, you can select a different color here. You can see the changes over here. Then you can use here the more colors also. You can see here the different color available. Just select it and click on OK. In standard also you can use this color. Okay. And again I just click on the shape fill. There are some gradient option also available. See the changes over here. Texture is also available. See the changes over here. Okay. So yeah, simply select the one color. So I just select here this one. Then I select the gradient. Okay. Okay. And after that just right click of the mouse and click on the send to back option, and here just click on the send behind text, and that's it. Your color box is ready. Okay, so that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.